What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry. Welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. That is right, guys. Let's get a look at the portfolio today, how we're looking. And it's looking pretty good, actually, overall. I can't complain for a pretty crazy day. We are up a total of a little over 300 bucks today. And the big reason for that is LCA is kind of off to the moon, guys. So we're up in the positive, up over 4,300 bucks on the account right now, looking pretty good. And we go to the 1 year, we are up 77%, up $1,900 on the investment, man. So we're looking really good. Want to update you guys on my options contract of LCA. You guys know I paid $125. I was super hyped last night about this bad boy to see what it opened up at. It opened up pretty high, actually, back here. This thing was up at $3.05 a contract, but I was at work then, and now we're down to $2.38. But I'm not worried about it. I still kept a hold of this, guys. So as you can see right now, purchased this yesterday at $125. You can see right there, one contract on December the 2nd, paid 125 bucks, and it expires December the 18th. The market value at the end of the close was $238. And right now, guys, we are up $113, up 90% in 1 day. Yes, sir. Put your money in. The next day, you literally double it. What bank are you going to get that interest rate at? 90% interest rate in 1 day. Woo! But, guys, we got the very cool thing we're going to get into. Our next kind of big stock we're going to get into. And I know this thing is all over YouTube, so guess what? Me and the EC traders have been talking about this stock as well. My man Wancho got me in on it. And we're going to get into that here in a little bit. So keep tuned for this next stock, guys. Keep tuned for it. So let's go back. So that's the options contract, guys. Looking really good. Tattooed Chef, guys. I'm telling you, keep a little eye here. Tattooed Chef is coming up. If we just take a look at the ticker symbol real quick, a little intermission. I'm telling you, man, these options contracts, Tattooed Chef's looking pretty good. We were up today a little bit. We made a little movement. I don't know what's keeping this thing from going to the moon, but you better get your Tattooed Chef options before it's too late. I got 3 different options. I got a small one and I got 2 decent ones. So I'm just telling you guys, I want to bring this to your attention. Keep an eye on it, man. Go check out the options before it's too late. This thing is still so beaten down, it's ridiculous. Go here to the 1 month, man. This thing was literally, guys, over 20 bucks back here. And I can see this getting back to that $20 mark. And if we go back to the 3 month, guys, this thing was almost $30 back in September. And I don't really get it. This is like a plant-based kind of food, man. They do the cauliflower, plant-based meals. They have great revenues and things like that. So I know they're cutting costs right now to get these sales, because they're building out the brand, but let's hope we can get some great news before our options contracts run out on Tattooed Chef. So, just wanted to bring out to your attention. Let's get back here to the actual shares themselves. So it says here today on my actual shares, we're up about 9% today because that news came out, guys. That is right. And we're going to get into that here very soon. News came out. And we're up 50%, up $733 right now on those shares. Average cost of $13.14, looking so beautiful on Robinhood right there. And got this article, guys, which is really kind of good here on the casino.org. Save the date investors vote on Golden Nugget online deal December 18th. Woo-wee! That's right, guys. We're super excited for that December the 18th. Here we got my brother right there. He is. Tillman Fertitta, Terry Fertitta. Nice to meet you, man. We're long lost brothers. We finally get to meet each other. Nice to meet you, sir. And there he is, smiling, having a great time right there. And basically down here, this article is saying that there is really no surprises when it comes to these SPAC votes. So right there it is. Don't expect any prizes because the votes usually don't contain any surprises, because usually they always vote yes in these SPAC merger dates. So, guys, don't worry about the merger falling through. It's going to happen. I'm telling you, man. Don't worry about it. There's even the casino.org here is telling you, don't worry about it. And as we go down here to the little bit other part here, This is pretty interesting to me. I found out very key, guys. Mr. Fertitta is expectedly to beneficially own approximately 11.1% of the economic interest of the new jikh and 79.9% of the voting power of the capital stock of the new jikh, according to the filing. He owns 31,350,000 shares. Woo-wee! My man Tillman of 31 million shares. And here I think I'm looking good at 285 shares, but Tillman has 31 million shares. He is going to be off to the moon with this. And we got a couple other things here we're going to cover on Tillman real quick, guys. But don't worry, that other stock's coming up. The other stock's coming. And it wasn't Tattooed Chef, but I like that one too a lot. But anyway, this is a really interesting thing. So, a busy time for Tillman. The confirmation of land Katie investors is going to vote and all that. But down here it's saying that he's looking to possibly, from the jikh merger at the report surface, Fertitta is muling an initial public offering IPO of his Golden Nugget Gaming and Landry's restaurant business. So guys, what do you think about that? Not only are we in LCA 2 with jikh, Tillman is possibly thinking about taking, I guess, his Golden Nugget Gaming, the land-based casinos, and his Landry's restaurant businesses to IPO. So I don't know what he would call that, because we got Golden Nugget Online Gaming, but would he have it just GNUG for Golden Nugget? GNUG. Would he do that next? And would you guys purchase it, the land-based casino and his restaurants? And I tell you, I'd be interested in it because it's a recovery stock, and we need to get some recovery stocks in our playbook, in our portfolio, man. Because the portfolios are to the moon from everything yesterday, man. This thing going crazy. And like I said, guys, don't get discouraged that we were above 20, almost hitting that 21. And now we're back down to the 19s. Take it with, guys, it's going to happen. You got it shooting up to the moon, and people's going to short sell it and take those profits. It's just going to happen. But for you and me that's in this for the long term, up to $30, $40, $50, we have nothing to worry about this day trading, man. It's just day trading, guys. Take advantage of the dips. Buy the dip. That's what I've been doing. Making big money on these options contracts. If this thing goes down to 18 again or whatever, I will buy another options contract. And you're going to watch me here again how I'm already up 90% of my other options contracts. I tell you, if this gets down to the low 18s, buy shares, buy options. Buy it, man. You're seeing me here doing it. I'm taking my own advice. And I'm not only just giving you the slogan, I do it. So, would you be interested in purchasing and going through this again of Tillman? I tell you, I would be interested in it to see about this as a recovery stock. So now, guys, just wanted to bring that to you. Now we're going to get into the stock that I'm excited to show you that I've been purchasing. Quick programming note, guys. That's right. The $100 portfolio Webull series will be happening shortly. So link will be down below. I'm going to put it the very first link in the description. Download Webull now because we're going to get that. You got to get in, deposit that $100, guys. And then we're going to start coming up with a game plan. We're going to get some money built up in here, so we can hopefully get this rolling in the next week or two. I did my $100 deposit. My link's down there, guys. You can download this. Using my link, you'll get some free stocks. I'll get some free stocks. And we can all grow our $100 portfolio together. And we're going to make probably maybe weekly or bi-weekly contributions, whatever will work for you guys. And we'll pick an amount if we're going to do like $25 or $50. Something really affordable that we can all possibly get into. Even if it's $20 a week. Whatever you guys think we should do, I'm up for it. So just wanted to get that out there, man. Download this. Get your Webull account ready. Use that link. We get 4 free stocks. You'll get 4 free stocks for using the link, man, up till like mid-December or something like that. So definitely check it out, guys. Real excited. And we're going to pick these stocks out together and hit some nice gains to the moon, man. We're going to be celebrating with the Mad Dog, I'll tell you that. So now, guys, let's get into the stock that I've been buying. I'm really excited. All right, guys, here's the stock. That's right. Apex Technology, ticker symbol APXT. This thing is going to be hot, man. I've been buying the dip here recently, really enjoying it. As you guys can see here, I'm showing you what I got. I got a total of 40 shares. I'm building out my position. Average cost of a sexy $13.95 per share average cost. We're currently up a couple bucks right now. We're up like $9 and some. And you can see down here my market buys. Bought 10 shares at $13.72, 10 shares at $14.21, 10 shares at $13.73, and I got 10 shares at $14.15. So I haven't paid no more than $14.21, and I've been buying 10 shares at a time, guys, in order to keep this not breaking the bank in a sense. But I want to build out my 100 positions. But you can see the buying power is starting to thin down here at $255. So I'm hoping my options contracts can get to where I want them. I'm wanting that golden nugget to go up so I can get more shares of this while it's down in the 14s. You can see, man, Apex here took off, man. It was down here in the 13s, and then, woo, after hours, this thing went off to the moon a little bit. So we got to keep our eye on this one, man. Start building out your position in this one, guys. It's going to be key. Merger's going to be coming in about Q1 of 21. So I think we have some time to still pick up these shares. I'm waiting for this to keeping it below that in the $13 range, hopefully. When I see it hit the 13s, I'll add 10 more and just keep buying in when I can. But here's a couple things I wanted to show you that you really might not know. Like, so why is everyone kind of recommending Apex technology? And we're going to get into a quick couple reasons why. This, as you know, is a cloud-based service that is Microsoft Clouds, which is really huge. And here it is right here. This article here is really nice on the Investors Observer, and this was just posted today. Is Apex Technology top pick in the shell company industry? The 57 rating Insiders Observer gives Apex Technology stock, puts it near the top of the shell company. In addition, scoring higher than 95% of the stocks in the shell companies. APXT's 57% overall rating, meaning the stock scores better than 57% of all stocks. And that is really key, that this place gives this a really high rating, guys. And I think that's exciting for us to know. If you're purchasing into this stock, why are you purchasing into it? And here's something that I like to go do. Not only are we just telling you to buy it, but I'm going to tell you more reasons why to buy it, because I'm on the Fintel website, and there's a lot of businesses buying this up. That's right. We're going to look at some November numbers that institutional buyers have been buying this thing. I mean, they've been literally buying the dip, and they're buying this in big. And this is why I think you need to be buying in big. Because let's just run down these Fintel numbers here. Right here. 11/16. TIG Advisors, 458,000 shares purchased. Also, Walleye Capital purchased 176,000 shares, guys. On 11/16, Barrel Capital, 506,000 shares. Also on the 16th, Radcliffe Capital, 489,000 shares. On the 16th, Blue Crest Capital, 1.1 million shares. Woo-wee! So people is buying in this here, man, as you see. A lot of people. These are all just November, too. There's 97,000, 190,000, 75,000, 20,000, 385,000 shares. There's a 50,000 shares, 714,000 shares. Back here on the 13th, man, we got RP Investment Advisors buying 1.134 million shares. To the moon, baby. That's right, to the moon. People is buying this up, guys, like crazy. So that is why I'm telling you that you want to get in here and get this bad boy before it's too late. And as you can see here, guys, small market cap, $614 million market cap. So great opportunity to get in here right now to get a hold of this one before it takes off. So start building out your position. Start putting some money in. I don't care if you're buying 5 shares or buying 10 shares like me. Whatever you can afford to buy, start buying in this bad boy, because we're going to start talking about it more here in the channel. We're going to start doing some more, cover more of the articles and more of the business side of it, and more analogy and analysis of what's going on with this company, so we can keep track of it. Just like we did Golden Nugget. We're going to start merging in the Golden Nugget and the Apex technology. We're going to start talking about them both a little bit, so we can start building out our next play like we did Golden Nugget since July. And now we got that merger coming, and we know it's going to happen. So now this merger is going to happen about Q1 of 21, guys. And we're going to start building out and understanding more about this company. We're going to learn more about it here on the channel together. And I'm real excited about bringing you all this news. All right, guys. Hope you all enjoyed today's video, man. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up. Join that thumbs up nation, guys. I love and appreciate every single one of you. Yesterday, man, I just want to say a big thanks to all the people that live premiere I had at 9 o'clock. You guys were amazing, man. I had it at 9 o'clock. People was commenting like 8 o'clock, an hour before the live premiere even started. You guys are the true Gnog family, man. That's right. And I was truly amazed. Took a couple screenshots of it. Maybe I'll try to put them down here at the end of this video so you guys can see the timestamps. People here was like an hour to 50 minutes early. We had a full chat going, man, the whole time. Like 30 minutes, 40 minutes before the even live stream happened. We were just chatting away. It was crazy, man. So these live premieres are really good. Try to do them every single night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're watching this and you enjoy live premieres, basically like a live stream, guys, you want to hop in. We have a great time with the family, and the comments are funny and just a lot of good stuff. So, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip. That's right. So, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Let's